In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan weddings in Canva. If you're trying to organize a beautiful wedding day, build a consistent mood board, or keep important details like seating charts and timelines in one place, Canva can make that process much easier. Instead of juggling scattered documents and mismatched designs, you can use Canva to create a clean visual planning system that's simple to update and share. To get started, open your web browser, sign in to Canva, and head to the Home dashboard. In the search bar across the middle of the screen, type Wedding Planning. Canva will show you a range of ready-made templates, including options like a wedding planning whiteboard, a seating chart, or a budget planner. Choose the template that best matches what you want to organize, and that will open a new workspace so you can begin with a structured layout instead of a blank page. Once your template is open, it's a good idea to set up visual boundaries before you begin moving things around. Click File at the top, hover over View Settings, and turn on Show Margins. This helps you see the safe area for your content, which is especially useful if your design will be viewed on different devices or shared with vendors. Keeping important text and elements inside those margins makes everything look more polished and easier to read. Next, start building out your main timeline and headings. On the left-hand sidebar, click Text, then choose Add a Heading. Use this to label key parts of the wedding plan, such as major milestones, schedule sections, or category titles. After typing your text, use the toolbar to pick a bold, clear font style that stands out well. As you move text boxes around, Canva will show alignment guides that help snap everything neatly into place. When your main sections are laid out, you can set up collaboration so others can help review or update the board. Click Share in the top right corner, then open the collaboration link settings. Change the access level from private to the permission setting that fits your team, and assign view or edit access as needed. This makes it easier for planners, family members, or vendors to stay aligned without confusion. Before exporting, do a quick review of the layout. Zoom in and check that no text or design elements overlap. Make sure your document titles are short, clear, and easy to recognize. Then close the sharing panel so Canva can save your latest updates. Finally, click Share again and choose Download. Change the file type to PDF print for the sharpest, most professional output. If you're sending it to a printer, enable crop marks and bleed, then click Download to save your final wedding planning file. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.